everyone! Today I'm showing you our guided wire insertion harness jig, a game changer for error-free assembly. The setup uses color-coded beams for different wire types: red, black, orange, purple, and more to match the exact sequence the connector needs. As the operator inserts each wire, the system gives real-time feedback to confirm it's the right color, pin, and position. This eliminates miswiring, reversed pins, and incorrect part mixing, even for complex multi-pin connectors. It's simple to use, drastically cuts training time, and ensures every harness is built perfectly the first time. No rework needed.